Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. Uh, this video is of explanation on mark citation. So I don't want to waste my time and your time. I just want to complete very soon. So this is very small video. I would like to explain very fastly. With this we'll be completing references tab. Now in this video what I want to say is in previous video I have completed my mark entry. Here let's see, mark entry I have completed, insert index also I have completed. Now in this I am going to explain about mark citation and insert table of authorities. Now in this, actually first I will not explain you what is the purpose of this. Let me explain the procedure of it, then you will only find it out for what purpose it is used. So for this you have to, what you have to do is open a document, new document, keep first page blank and come to the second page. See, come to the second page. Now I am in second page. Now I will be typing some words like apple. Enter. Next, Fanta. Some words I am going to explain, right? And red color, right? Now next page, I'll go to the next page. That is third page. And here what I am going to do, I will type again some words here. Okay. Now I'll type some words like tomato. Next word, burger. Right? Now what I am going to do is, I will be these words are in different pages. So what I am going to do is, now here tomato, when I see that word tomato, it will show the category of that particular thing in first page, right? That is the purpose of this mark citation. Now when I click on it, it will show the category of it. Tomato means vegetable, burger means fast food, like that it will show the category of it. Apple means fruits, Fanta means cool drinks, red means color. So it will show the categories of it. Now for that you should only create the category. Now what you have to do is, go to apple word, select that word, go to mark citation. Now here can you see, you got one dialog box, and here actually you will not have any like fruits and all. I have typed, see here, can you see here in category place, this fruits, color, cool drinks and all I have typed. You will not find those words. You will be finding like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, some other words will be there, some other names will be there. See, status, statutes, cases, other authorities, rules, like that you will not find. Suppose if you want to create any other category, you can go to, see, first of all I will delete this. Okay, let it be. I will do one thing. Can you see here, fruits is there, color is there, cool drinks is there, but for tomatoes vegetable is not there. So what I will do is, for that I will tell you afterwards. Let's select fruits here. I have selected fruits here in category place, and I will say mark. What happened? In the place of apple, some names apple like this you have got. That means like it is a citation. Understood? It is a citation for that apple, for that particular word. Now say close. Now come to Fanta again. Select that word, right? Come to mark citation. Now here already Fanta means cool drinks. You have cool drinks word here. So no need of creating the cool drink. So I'll select that and I will say mark. What happened? It has been marked here. Now red color I will take, sorry, first you close this. Now go to red. Now select that word, come to mark citation. Now red is color, so already color is also there here, so select the color. Now say mark. What happened? That mark is displayed there. Now 3 things already I have done. Now if you go to next page, here tomato is there. Tomato is a category of vegetable, right? Now for that I will go to mark citation. I will select it and I'll go to mark citation. Here can you see here in category place you don't have vegetable category. So what you have to do is you have to create. Now go to category place. Here select any number, like whichever you want you can select, apart from which you have created. Now I have selected 11. Come to the replace with box, take out that 11 and now type vegetable because you want vegetable there. So type vegetable. Now say replace. Then say OK. Right? You got vegetable. Is it created? Can you see? Vegetable is created. Now select it. Say mark. So for tomato it is marked. Now say close. Even the same thing with the burger also. Now burger I have selected and it is a fast food. Right? Now go to mark citation. Now select again category because no fast food is there, word is there. Now I have selected 12 place and take out with the replace with, and what is that? We are going to give you fast food or junk food, whatever you want, but I am giving fast food, right? Now say replace. Now OK. Now come to the mark and say mark. Right, now we have created all the marks to the words. Just observe. See tomato, burger, it has been created. Now here marks have been created. Now come to the first page. Now come to the first page and select one place and go to insert table of authorities. Now whichever thing you want you can select. First in category say all because all the categories you want. Now here you want, if you want to select some dotted line or this type of line, I'm selecting that. Some format, if you want to change any format also you can change, but I'll keep from template. That means you'll be getting this type of format, right? Say OK. What happened? It is showing all the categories: fruits, color, cool drinks, vegetables, right? In vegetable only it is selecting. See burger it is not taking. I have not selected there, so go to that particular place. Now what you will do is go to that last page where burger is there. Now come to that word, select it, go to mark citation. Here you might have not selected category, that's why it is showing that. Category fast food, right? See, understood? Say OK. Now what happened? Replace with fast food. Okay. Now okay, you understood this much now. Now what you will do is I will give some other word here, right? Like what I want to show is, now can you see here, I will show you all these things. Let me remove this. Okay, now first you go to first page and just check it out. Can you see here? So though I have removed there, that burger, the thing is coming, because the actually what happened, you know, in burger category, under vegetable category it has been selected. So if you want to remove, You can remove from here also. Okay, now, so now what I want to show is how to till now you understood insert table authorities. Now how to update the table is, I will tell you. Suppose you have done all these things, you have included one more word in another page. Now come to that particular page. Where is that word? See, this is second page and this is third page. Okay, this is third page. Now come to the another page, fourth page, right? Now here what I want to show is, I want to type one banana word, right? Now I want to show mark citation for it. That means I want to update. After doing all these things, I want to update the table. For that I am showing extra word. I am going to fourth page and I have typed banana. It's a fruit category. How to update the table of authorities I am showing you. Now come to the mark citation. And what is the category of banana? Fruit. So just select the fruits. Okay, banana fruits. Now say mark. Now what you will do is close it. Now come to the first page. Now what you will do is select the thing, fruits, and go to update table. What happened? Banana is a fruit. It has been showing that particular word or banana. It is under fruit category, saying that it is under fruit category. So it is updating the table automatically when you select that particular word. Okay, so this is how you will be doing mark citation or inserting table of authorities. With this I have completed the references tab. Okay, now what I want to say is, this mark citation and authorities, table of authorities is over. Now my next video will be on mailings, right? This one, my next video will be on mailings. So what I want to say is, if you have not still subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and please like it. If you have, I hope you liked it. If you like it and share to your many friends, many people, so that they may also use this knowledge. Okay, they may also let them also see this, and if they are in need of it, they will use it. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Okay, then we'll meet again in the next video, which is mailings. I'm going to explain in that. That will be the part 7, I think, part 7 video. Okay, then thank you, bye.